me. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to ask you to sit down and pay attention now.
In this video, we're going to rock tumble some petrified wood. Well, petrified wood is not wood, it's a fossil.
It's a fossil.
But now it's rock. Cool, eh? One of the things you'll notice when you first pick it up is it's heavy. This would be really good stuff for a child to learn how to rock tumble. It's not expensive if you want to purchase it. From a rock shop, you probably can expect to pay about $5 a pound. You can also find it yourself. It's not rare.
It was living in a swamp around here about 10 million years ago.
It formed many, many years ago when the plant material, trees, was buried in deep sediment. Groundwater, which had other minerals in it, percolated into the wood and eventually replaced the wood fiber with the minerals.
All of the original wood is gone and has been replaced by minerals.
So the result is a fossil that exhibits the bark, wood, and cellular structure of the original tree.
Damn it, this guy is really pissing me off. I wish he'd like just shut up or something.
We're going to put some into our tumbler. Let's take a look.
Ooh, my rock polisher!
So here is my fossilized rock. Just chips and cut pieces.
You can only expect to get out what you put in, okay? You said put in.
And what I'm going to do is put these into a 1 pound rock tumbler along with water and grit. And to start, stage 1 is a coarse grit known as 6090 coarse tumbling grit. There's my package of it there, and here's what it looks like.
What a dumbass.
I want to load my tumbler up to about 2/3 full, and then add, usually you can get away with 1 tablespoon per pound of rock. I will add fluid, and you come just below the level of the rock. You don't want them to be swimming in it, and you don't want it to be too dry. Then we button it up and start it tumbling.
Excuse me, sir. Did you know that, like, nobody here is listening to you? And nobody cares? Yeah, I mean, and like that you're a dork?
We'll see you in 1 to 2 weeks for step 2.